In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create OneDrive Group. Think of this as setting up a shared space in OneDrive where your team, class, or family can work on the same files. We'll use a shared folder, which functions just like a group workspace. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. On the landing page, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. If you use a work or school account, note that your organization's policies may affect sharing options. Once you're signed in, you'll be in your OneDrive files view. At the top, select New, then choose Folder. When the name prompt appears, give your folder a clear, memorable name, something like Group Folder or your project title, so everyone recognizes it immediately. Click Create to finish. Your new folder will appear in your file list. Click to open the folder. To turn it into a shared group space, select the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you'll decide who can access the folder and what they can do. Before sending invites, click the link permissions icon to set the access level. For most private groups, choose specific people so only the people you invite can get in. Then decide whether members can edit or can view. For collaboration, choose Can Edit so teammates can add files, make changes, and upload new content. Apply your choices to save these settings. Back in the sharing panel, enter the email addresses of the people you want to include, add a short message so they know what the folder is for, and click Send. If you prefer, you can copy a link instead and share it through chat or email. Just remember that the link will follow the permissions you selected. That's it. The folder is now your OneDrive group. Anyone with edit access can add documents, create subfolders, and work together in real time, and all changes sync for everyone. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Organize content with subfolders, agree on simple naming conventions, and encourage everyone to use version history if they need to roll back changes. If you ever need to adjust who can access the folder, open it, choose Share again, and update the permissions or remove people as needed. You've just created a collaborative group space in OneDrive using a shared folder. Save this video for later and you'll be ready to set up your next project in seconds.